Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. If you want to log out from your account on the Bybit application, but you don't find an option within the app, then there are a few ways to get around this issue. In order to solve this, open up your phone settings first, and then from the settings page, go ahead and tap on apps. Now from the apps page, scroll down until you find the Bybit application and then tap on it. Now within this page, first of all tap on a forced stop and then tap on the OK button to stop the application and then tap on the storage menu to go into storage. Now from this page, you will be able to find the clear data button. Go ahead and tap on it and now tap on OK to clear all of your user data from the Bybit application. Once you complete this process, you can go back and open up the Bybit application and you will find that you have been logged out from your account and you will be asked to either sign up or sign in to your existing account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.